To set up your vehicle and your implement, go up to the first button here and press OK. So we now have to enter our implement width. So it's set in metric in meters, so I can go up and down through the different dimensions there. So if I just say this is 18.29 meters, that's my implement width. Press OK. So an overlap or a skip. So for fertilizer spreading, you can set a 6 or an 8 inch overlap or whatever suits. If you're using a patch antenna, I would be setting a 6 inch overlap, which is 15 centimeters. So 15 centimeter overlap. Now the forward back offset. So this is the distance from your antenna to your implement. So this is to where the fertilizer comes out of your fertilizer spreader, or to where the spray comes out of your sprayer, from the distance from there to your antenna. So if I just say it's 1.2 meters behind. Left right offset. So for your mower, if you were setting up a mower, your mower would be offset to the right hand side of the tractor. If you're setting up your fertilizer spreader or your sprayer, the majority of the time there's no left right offset, as they're directly behind the center of the tractor. So in this case I'll leave it at 0. Now we have our different pattern types. So you have your straight AB, so we would basically set an A point and a B point in the field. We don't have any headland guidance lines with this option. We have our A plus, which is basically we set our A point and it'll give us our B point in the direction the tractor is facing. We have our identical curve. So again, we set our first curve and every curve is identical off that. Or we have our adaptive curve. So as you can see in the diagram there, we set our curved line and then we can have a separate curved line going around an object such as a tree. We have our pivot, our headland and our freeform. The most popular out of all these options would either be your straight AB or your headland. So if we click on the headland option, the headland option means basically we drive the headland of the field, we tell the system how many circuits or how many headlands we want to do, and we're also telling it whether we want to set an A and a B point or an A plus point. So in this case I'll select AB. So it's now asking me how many headland circuits. So for fertilizer this could be 1 circuit, for mowing this could be 6 circuits. So this is the amount of runs you're going to do on the headland. So if I set 6 circuits here now, so we now set our A point. If I had this set up on the tractor, I could set my A point, I would set my B point, and it will give me my guidance lines off that. So currently I don't have full satellite signal up here. My satellite coverage is poor on the patch antenna here. So this is staying yellow. So I can't use the GPS until that goes green, indicating full satellite signal.